Abathi ngampela kanti nguwona nilo emhlaba ngenzela phansi. Ubaba wami ubeligugu. Sanibona-ke iy'ngane zakwethu, ngiyanibingelela ngalesi sikhathi, ngiyanibingelela. Ngixolisa ukufika late. Last time sakhuluma ngama-channels, ne? Sakhuluma ngama-channels, njengamanje nansi eyasala. Nanka ama-channels asala last time. Singene kuwona nje. Umcimbi wa last time lo owasala. Ayivuleke phela le mpahla. Ngathi sengi-live manje uqale phansi izongibhayizisa. Yini inkinga yakhona vele? Iyangijamela nje. Iyona lokhu ngane yasala-ke le engizoyivula la. Iyona nto yasala le. Kwasala ngizokukhumbuza ukuthi sisakhuluma ngani. Yabona nje manje sesibuka ngami le foni. Angazi ukuthi iy'tshela ukuthi yinhle kakhulu yini. Siyibona phela isiyinto eyilapha phezulu ekhekheni ngoba phela sengiyi-live manje. Individual centering kwasala kona lokhu. Nakho nansoka, hawu yini engijwayele kabi. Ngiyathanda nje izinto ukuthi zivele nje zibe namadimoni esithubeni. Ngbo? Hey. Oh. Okay. Nakho kuwasala. Asikubeka nje khona nawe uzokwazi ukubona ngalapho kuwena. Lana umcimbi omncane ngiyadlula njengoba ubona nje la ngiyadlula la. Kodwa kumele ukuthi ngikukhumbuze ukuthi sakhuluma ngani last time. Kuyimanje i-chapter esikuyona i-chapter ekhuluma ngama-type of circuitry connection kwi-human design. Sikuyi-type of circuitry connection. Ningitshela i-network yami uma ngabe ibheda. Sikuyi-type of circuitry connection. Ngachaza ukuthi kukhona i-individual, khona i-collective, khona i-tribal circuitry connection. Lama lokhu nganawafani wonke. Lama types wonke awafani. Individual is for empowering and mutating or changing things or coming with new things. Sharing is for a collective. Collective is for sharing. We are sharing the past experiences. We are sharing how we think the future is going to unfold. We are sharing our knowledge to fine-tune the system, to fine-tune the way of doing things to have a better future. So that is the theme of any collective circuitry. Kuzoba i-tribal. Tribal ke i-theme yakhona support. We're talking about support. Njalo nakhona kunama ihlukana kabili nakhona. Individual ihlukana kabili, collective ihlukana kabili, tribal nawo ihlukana kabili. But ke tribal is for support, supporting our offspring, supporting our tribe, supporting our families, our communities. It's all about support, food, money, and all those things. Angitshabo. So ubani loyo tribal, ngiyabona. So bese kuzongena esigabeni sika lo. Bese kuzongena esigabeni sika sokuthi lento ihlukana kabili ke angithi individual yaba ngitho ihlukana kabili khona knowing yilo ngangimchaza last time knowing bese kuba khona bani centering yilo wasala ke lo ngizomchaza manje mawukuthi awubukanga ku live last time ungakuthola ku YouTube Changes Akasha ku introduction to human design kuleyo playlist khona ubani knowing nobani no centering. Knowing, it's all about knowing, yabo? Centering is all about self-love and following your convictions. Bese kuzoba ubani collective nawo hlukana kabili. Collective ilo sukhuluma ngawo namhlanje. Khona bani? Khona logic, khona nobani? No sensing. Okuwukuthi logic, it's all about logic, reasoning, formulating logical thinking, fine-tuning the patterns. The future is future based, but masukhuluma ngo sensing is all about the past. It's more about the past. It's emotional. Emotions, yabo. It's more emotional, it's more warm. Fana nobani no subconscious mind. It's very warm, it's emotional, but logic is very hard and cold. Sebenza nge-reasoning and hard facts and hard truth. Yabo. So ubani loyo ke logic. But ku-tribal ke nawo hlukana kabili. Kukhona kukhona ulo u-defense nobani no ego. So u-defense ke lapho ke sikhuluma ngani ngelokhu ngani ngokuzalwa kwey'ngane, reproduction and taking care of your offsprings, and also reproduction, taking care of your offspring. Basically kuyima-ke sizobuye sikhulume ngubani angithi ngithe ulokhu ngani u-defense nobani no-ego. Ego-ke sikhuluma ngomnotho-ke lapho-ke acquiring material wealth and also providing food and shelter, and also business contracts, deals, managing resources. So those are the connections, energetic configurations kumuntu ngokuhlukahlukana. So ke kuthathwa lapho ke energy yakho iconfigurate ngalezo zindlela lezo. Nawe uxhunyiwe njengoba ubona i-red ixhunyiwe nje, nawe uxhunyiwe kanjalo. Njengoba ubona i-TV nje ixhunyiwe ine-configuration, nawe une-configuration kanjalo energetic. Angazi ukuthi umuntu yini enazitshela ukuthi uhlukile kunalezi zinto ezama-electrical appliances, ukuthi yena u-advanced, kodwa nazo lezi zinto o-radio no-TV nama-cellphones, zonke lezi zinto zakhiwe zisuselwa kuyena naye indlela operator ngayo. Naye akahlukile nje, naye uyi-device nje naye ngokwakhe, kodwa-ke ejulile, i-device ejulile. Ngoba i-technology isuselwa kuphi? Isuselwa kuyo i-nature, i-technology. Bakha amabhanoyi, iy'nyoni ziyandisa, ngithi yabo. So but susela khona lapho na bese-ke baqhubeke-ke nabo-ke be-add okwabo, but nje fundamentally akukho kusha. So-ke ngokwe-energy configuration le esengikuchazile ngokuhlukahlukana-ke izozimanifesta ngendlela engafani, but-ke angivele ngingene kukona lokhu okwasala, lokhu engikhuluma ngakho namhlanje. Nakho ilokhu, yabo, lokhu engikhuluma ngakho ilokhu, yayibo leyo nto leyo. So mhlawumbe ngingalijabulela ipeni la lokubhala, la. So namhlanje i-Human Design Sunday, kusengewona ku-live kawonke lo, akusiwo u-live osuke ujwayelekile lo kawonke ukuthi nje noma ubani osuke ezokwazi ukuthi a-graspe. Sekuwu-live ohlukile lo ngoba kuyafundwa kuseklasini la, kuyafundwa, yabo. So live ungafani nalabo live ovela umuntu abona ngathi uyaresonate bese yabuza umbuzo lo, ufuna ukuthi ulandele logically, ulandele ufunde njengoba usuke ufunda esikoleni. So abantu-ke isikole-ke abanye-ke saba ne-bad influence kubona isikole, manje sebezonda yonke into ephathelene nokufunda, yabo. Sebezanda yonke into ephathelene nokufunda sebeyayizonda ngoba bazonda isikole. Ayikho-ke indlela ozofunda ngayo ukuthi wena wazonda isikole. Njengamanje nayi information kodwa kukhona esikoleni, but nje uyafunda nje la basically. Abanye bangathatha ama-notes, abanye bengenzani. Lento engikhuluma ngayo-ke njengamanje ngithe namhlanje sizokhuluma ngalokhu, angithi sizokhuluma ngalokhu. Yayizwa loo nto? Sizokhuluma ngalokhu. Ngoba sizokhuluma ngalokhu nje akuyona into eningi le, eyasala. Kwasala into encane kabi. Ama-channels nje lawa awu-2, yabo. Le suka la iya lapha, nale suka la iya lapha, yabo. Lama-channels asele la ahlanganisa ama-centers awu-3, yabo. So asiqale ngalena ke lesuka la ku 34 yabo lesuka ku 34 izongena la phezulu asiqale ngaleyo ke siqale ngaleyo ke yini ke igama lale channel le yini nali the channel of exploration hlanganisani nansi la ngayibiza ngathi yini le ngathi la khona i-life force i-power la khona i-life force uchi lento ekwenza ukuthi uzale ingane ukhulelise umuve wenze zonke izinto i-life force nje upetrol la kuhleli khona i-power. So leyo power izongenaphi la leyo center lengathi center of what is center of self like identity, direction, love le center le eyalokho. So kusho ukuthini ke mangabe sekuthiwa 3410 it's a channel of exploration kusho ukuthini ke kona lokho ukuthi this is the channel of exploration kusho ukuthi you are going to using your power to live your convictions and behavior yabo you are going to use your powers to live your convictions and your behavior and be yourself yabo. So you are having more power to follow your convictions. Shuthi nje la sithola umuntu noma sithola uhlobo lwe-energy la khona someone ozothi mina this is how I behave and there's nothing else. I-self love iqhamuka kuyo le channel. Self love, loving yourself. So le channel yenza ukuthi ube example of how to be, how to love yourself, how to be yourself, how to behave as yourself in every given moment in time. So le channel ke eyalokho abantu abana le channel basically they are having all the powers to be theirs, to be themselves, to behave as themselves and to love themselves. So nansi ke le esuka la sengiqedile ngayo ngo 3410 channel of exploration ngiqedile ngayo Switzerland yabo le nansi le isuka la it's 51 iye ku 25. By the way u34 lo kade ngikhuluma ngawo it's a gate of power and then u10 it's a gate of behavior. So yabo ukuthi it is the power to behave as yourself. Then lapha uyayibona ke le channel ukuthi le channel leyana ukuthi inobani ino 51 nobani ino 51 nobani no 25 mhlawumbe uzokubona lokho ino 51 no 25 le channel leya ihlanganisa ini ihlanganisa i-ego ihlanganisa nani ihlanganisa i-ego le ihlanganisa nani ne-heart not ne-heart I mean i-heart iyona le i-ego le ihlanganisa i-ego ne-G center sho ngamanye amazwi i-ego iyopowerisha in lapha i-G center love direction identity. So ke lana ke sitholani i-channel of initiation nakho 25 51 25 it is the channel of what of initiation. Abantu abane channel ke banele channel le njoba lisho igama initiate yini uku-initiate ukuqala izinto angithi ukuza kuqala. So they are too competitive they want to be first ey'ntweni they want to start things they want to bayinhlamvu nje they follow their convictions. So njoba ku-gate 51 ku-gate of i-shock then u-gate 25 u-gate of innocence kusho ukuthi umuntu lana uya ey'ntweni innocently ey'ntweni elandela ini ngothando yabo elandela inhliziyo yakhe bese lapho athola i-shock kuleyo nto. Fana nokuthi nje ungavela usuku uzoqala ibhizinisi nje ungakazi uzulizwa ukuthi likhona obviously lapho uzohlangabezana ne-shock vele lapho ngoba uzohlangabezana nezinto ongakazi uzizwe ungakazi uyibone. So abanankinga ke laba ke they always initiate things futhi izinto ziqala ngabo they always want to be first they always want to be number one they are competitive they follow their convictions, yabona nje, they even change the way we think, yabo, ba-initiate ezinye izinto, sishintshe indlela esicabanga ngayo. So it is the channel of what? Of initiation. So uku-initiate-ke futhi uyazi ukuthi I can initiate you to something new, angithi? I can initiate you ngiqhamuke nento entsha eningayazi nhlobo. So I'm initiating. So ke labantu ke they are always coming up with new things, initiating people. Awungenje ukuthola ukuthi uyena usefike ne-business idea noma usefike nebhanoyi elisha emngeni nali ibhanoyi lana singeneni uthi asingeneni nje usephakathi already. Uthi asingeneni usephakathi already. Mnge asingeneni hey nansi into entsha. They always bafana nenhlamvu, yabo. They always want to be first, they always want to be number one. Qhamuka nezinto ezintsha nje ezabo. uBrian uthi, have you done any video about the Catholic Church? Something off laphana. Something is off laphana. Brian, mina Nkosi yami angiyilandeli izinto ezikwi-mainstream media. Ngizizwa ngani nje njengoba ungichazela. I-mainstream media nje angiyilandeli izinto. Ngizwile nje ukuthi ekushoniwe kanjani njani. Mina I'm living in my own world, bafu. Ngiziphilela nje emhlabeni wami. Ngizikhulumela ngalokhu okungajwayelekile, yabo. Isikhathi esiningi mawukuthi kodwa sekuyinto ethi this is very burning kakhulu ngiqhamuka ngenye i-angle khona lapho, yabo. So ngiphila komunye nje umhlaba mfowethu mina. Ungixolela kakhulu. Angazi nanokuthi kwenzekalani. Ngikwazi ukuthi kushoniwe, nothing else, yabo. Sengingozwa ngaba abantu sebexoxa ke endleleni. Mina ngikutholela kubona abantu la endleleni ukuthi what is happening, because nje mina ngifocuse kule kwami nje. That the way I was made, and that's how I get peace, yabo. Mangidlulela ke ngicabanga ukuthi ngiqedile ngalokho. Qedile ngalokho. Qedile manje, yabo. Ngithemba ukuthi nizwile ke. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nizwile. Channel of initiation. Angithi uyazi ukuthi umuntu onjani o-initiate abantu, umuntu othwasisa abantu yaba-initiate. Kusuke ba-initiate phi? Uba-initiator entweni entsha, uyabafaka aba-initiator, yabo. So abantu aba-initiatayo ke abanale channel ke, they are initiating people to whatever new they are going to initiate. Something new that has never been there. They are initiating people. Akumangazi ukuthola umuntu onale channel efika nento engakazi zibe khona. Izinto ziqale ngayo ngoba they are always very competitive at some point. Let me not say always, because they are dealing with potentials, yabo. Potential yokuthi bebe competitive, yabo. Okay, asimuveleni kokunye ke manje. Ngiqedile ngalokho. Qedile nje ngalokho. Namhlanje bengalona usuku lalokho, yabo. Namhlanje mina ngizokhuluma ngalokho kahle kahle. Nanti ngizokhuluma ngayo. Nanti ngizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Namhlanje nanti ngizokhuluma ngayo. Yayizo la ngizokhuluma ngani? Collective circuitry connection in this body graph. Collective sishilo sithi it's all about what? It's all about what? It's all about sharing. Collective, it's all about what? It's all about sharing. Sharing what? Sharing the past, sharing the future. Sharing the what? Sharing the past, sharing the future, but it's all about what? Sharing. So this type of circuitry nama lines akhona it's more, baba more visual labantu labo, baba more visual than ukuthi bebe auditory. Kusho ukuthi based kakhulu into e-visual, ukubona, visions, kunokuthi kube into ezwakala ngendlebe, ngoba laba be-knowing, laba kade ngikhuluma ngabo, those who are in the individual circuitry, kunento ekuthiwa integration njalo khona futhi lapho ke-individual, obuye sikhulume ngayo. Laba be-individual, they are auditory, so bane-clear audience, yabo, banenzwa le extrasensory perception yokuzwa, ukuzwa, like there's a voice, sometimes it's like there's a soft voice telling them something, yabo. Banendlebe kamoya. Laba be-sharing, they are more of ukubuka, bane-clairvoyance, so extrasensory perception yani yokubuka, but beyond amehlo. Akunqeni ukuthi kungadlala into engathi TV engazuthi ubona something, into eyenzeka avela ayibone nje, ngathi uyibona ngamehlo into ibingekho, kanti usebona sekuyi-vision, useyabona vision, usebona into engakenzeki. So laba bayezwa, laba abanye benza njani, bayabuka, abe collective. So ake ngiqale-ke kuma-channels, ake ngiqale nje ku-logic nje, kungathi ubona ukuthi kubhala ukuthi logic. I-logic-ke njengoba ubuka i-body graph la, yabona ngithi i-body graph yethu le esiyibukayo la, ukuthi ihlukene kabili, kune-side elingala, kune-side elingala, ngithi yabona. So leli side elingalana-ke ele-sensing, leli is too emotional, yabo, is too emotional leli. Kodwa leli lingala ilona leli sithi le logic, li-cold-ke leli, li-cold, lisebenza ngani, nge-reasoning, yabo. So abantu abanala ma-circuit, noma unale circuit yangala kwa-logic, usebenza ngani, ngoku-rationalize, yabo, usebenza nge-reasoning, yabo, uyareasona, uyaformulator, usebenza usebenza nge-physical evidence, usebenza nge-evidence ne-practicality. So ngasho ukuthi wena yini lento le, ukuba ngizokhuluma ngoba left brain, ba left brain, le circuitry connection yabantu aba left brain is two left brain, yabo. Kuba left brain kusebenza nge-hard truth, so ukuthi uya rationalize ukuthi how possible, akekho creative, ngoba leli side la ngapha kuthiwa sensing, leli lingala, they are creative, this one. They are not thinking about i-physical evidence elaphambi kwabo ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bebuka izinto eziphambi kwabo bese bedetermine ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani in the future. No, they are creative, they are just using their creativity, yabo. So lezi zisebenza nge-hard fact, logic, yabo. Lezi zingazi ngisho i-mathematics ne-science, lezi zangala, ngoba zifollow i-logical pattern, they are following the logical pattern. Here i-left brain, conscious mind. Okay, asiqale nge-channel-ke yokuqala. Angithi sasho sathi i-energy yonke isuke ifuna ukuza la ukuzomanifesta. I-manifesta yaphi i-energy? Before I embark in my channels, i-manifesta la i-energy kwi-throat chakra noma kwi-throat center. Onke lama centers afuna ukuza la kwi-throat, yabo, for manifestations. All these channels are coming here. So let us begin with the channel that is down there at the bottom. Bayibona i-channel at the bottom, nansi ya, ibizwa ubani, nansi ya, lapha ya ezansi 52.9, yabo, le ibhali 52.9 isuka kwi-roots, iya kwini kwi-sacral center. So i-root ngathi it's a pressure to do something. I-sacral, it is the life force, ne? It's a pressure to do i-roots, and the sacral, it's a what? It is a life force. So ke yini ke igama lalelo khungana lale channel u-59.2 ubizwa ukuthini? Channel of concentration. Ngithi sezwana ibizwa ngokuthi it's a channel of what? It is a channel of concentration. So abantu abanale channel noma le channel isiza ukwenza njani? Ukuconcentrate, yabo? Isiza ukuconcentrate ngoba ukuconcentrate kudinga ini? Kudinga i-energy ukuthi uyibambe. That is why ungakwazi ukuconcentrate uma ungabe ungadlile, because kudinga i-energy ukuconcentrate. Yabo? Concentration, suppressed energy to understand patterns and fine tune. So abantu abanale pattern ye-concentration, angithi yabo u-52 it's a gate of stillness, u-59 it's a gate of focus. Yabo laba they are unshaken. Le channel imenza umuntu ukuthi onayo abe focused ngale ndlela, akadidiseki, is too focused. Yabo nje mekuthuka ukulalele uzofocus noma yabo nje une energy of yokufocusa nje, yabo, asuppresse ini i-energy, asuppresse i-energy ngoba ukufocusa kudinga ini? Kudinga amandla. Ungazi uyitshelwe ukuthi uma ufocusile awenzi lutho, kodwa ukufocusa kudinga amandla, kudinga i-energy. So ke uma une channel of concentration ke you are someone nje ongeke ongabhayiziseki, ongayiluzi focus at any given point in time. So kuyibonelo esingaqhamuka nazo ziningi kakhulu impilo lento ingaziveza ngendlela eziningi empilweni yomuntu. Mangabe enayo le channel le ngayiveza ngendlela eziningi. Ungathola ukuthi makufundwa mhlambe uyakwazi ukuthi alalele ize into iyophela efocusile nje, elalele nje each and everything oyikhulumayo efocusile. Futhi ungathola ukuthi izimanifest lento ngokuthi akwazi ukufocusa entweni mhlambe mhlambe menza into noma umakhenika uyakwazi ukufocusa entweni, afocuse emekhanda. So lento iziveza ngendlela eziningi empilweni yomuntu ukuthi how do you exercise le channel yani ye concentration. Okay, channel yesibili ibizwa ngokuthi it is a channel of rhythm. Nansi le angithi ngishile energy yami isuka la ezansi iyanye uya phezulu. So channel of rhythm nansi laphana isuka kwi sacral, kwi center of power, iza la kwi G center. Nansi le channel le, channel bani 515 sikuzumele mhlambe. Nansi le channel ibizwa ngani igama layo? Rhythm. So angithi ngishilo ukuthi lolu hlobo lwento kuthiwa i-logic lu based kwini? Kwi-future. Lu studisha i-pattern bese lu determine ini i-future, lizama ukufine tune le pattern ukuthi sibe ne better future, yabo? So that is why see humanity sibadinga abantu abanayo i-logic circuit, ngoba bazokwazi ukuthi bebuke ukwenzeka kwezinto manje and then bazame ukwenza njani fine tune. Yabo nje khona abantu ababuka indlela okulotsholwana ngayo noma indlela umshado owenzeka ngayo, bathule bayibuka lento and bakhi sense, bafuna ba-logical ngalokho, and into abazoyenza bona bazobona ukuthi no man, something is not make sure la, I think now we need to do this and this because banalento to logic. They look at what is happening right now, yabo, and look at the pattern and try to perfectize the pattern and try to find the loophole that will make the pattern to be perfect. Bangabuka ukuthi hayi man indlela yokushada is not right. Kungani kumele ukuthi sikhokhe kanje ekubeni nami ngikhuliswe ubaba noma nami ngifundile uthola ukuthi sebezobuka izinto ezizokwenza ukuthi this current pattern or this current way of doing things ishintshe manje ngoba ngisho ngathi they are future based and they are changing something that is happening or the pattern that is currently prevailing, they are changing it ukuze kube nekusasa elingcono, yabo. So ke laba be-rhythm umuntu one-channel ye-rhythm, le channel lena i-channel ye-rhythm njengobusho nje banamandla ukuthi bane-resilience yokumelana nama-rhythms of life, ukumela nje nama-rhythms of life. Angithi impilo like ake sithi ugate 5, angithi yabo khona ugate 5 la, khona ugate 15 la. Ugate 5 yini igama lakhe, u-fixed bani patterns, yabo, bese kuthi u-15 ubani u-extreme. So u-patterns no-extreme kusho ukuthi umuna le channel umuntu owaziyo le ukuthi amelane nama-patterns. Angisho yazi khona ubusika empilweni khona ihlobo empilweni, yabo. Izimo impilo nje ihlezi ishona le iphinde ishone le, so they are able to withstand those natural patterns, yabo. Empilo baya understand okay kubuye kube nje futhi they can be able to tolerate ama-extremes njengoba bene-gate 15 nje angithi ugate 5 uyoxhuma gate 15 bayakwazi futhi ukutolerate ama-extremes, the extreme cases, and they also have that innate ability of loving people and they can be able to tolerate labantu ekuthiwa bangama-extremist. Khona umuntu ohlukile nje because angithi bane-love of people, bayakwazi ukudila nomuntu othola ukuthi khona umuntu too much too much nje because ke bona bangama-extremes laba like bane-channel of rhythm, they are able to handle also the extreme cases. Umuntu ongajwayelekile ngithi uyazi ukuthi umuntu ojwayelekile umuntu mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi wena umjwayele, wena into ejwayelekile ile ejwayele uwe, angithi yabo. So akuyona yonke into ejwayelekile, into ejwayelekile ile wena oyijwayele wena ngokwakho. Ku-contextual kunjani ku-subjective, into e-common nejwayelekile into e-subjective. Wena ngokwakho uperceive ukuthi okay umuntu ojwayelekile umuntu oza kumina noma umuntu ongithi mangihleli naye ngihlangana naye angibingelele ngimbuza impilo aqhubeke nakwenzayo. Kodwa uthola ukuthi khona abantu abama-extremist bekubingelela ukubuza impilo aze akutshele ney'ndaba zakhe engakwazi aze yabo abe too much nje. So those are extreme cases and rare cases, kodwa-ke bazokwazi ukukhandlisha laba abanale gate, abanale channel ekuthiwa i-channel of rhythm. They are able to withstand ama-patterns, they are able futhi to withstand ama-extreme cases, yabo, ukumelana nezinto ekuthiwa zi-odd nanoma iziphi. Angithi uyazi ukuthi izinto ziyaphuma esandleni, so they are able to lokhu ngana lokho, yabo. So futhi-ke they are able ukuthi laba-ke bathanda ukufollowisha ama-patterns, they are good at kuthiwa yini ama-routines, they are good at formulating ama-routines abo and follow their own routines ukuthi okay mina mangivuka ngenza u1 ngenza u2 ngenza u3 uma ngiye emsebenzini, mangibuye emsebenzini ngenza u1 ngenza u2 ngenza u3. So they want their life ukuthi ifollowish i-pattern yabo ebekuyibona ukuthi this is how I do things. So they are rhythm based, ine rhythm into yabo, and futhi they are able ukuthi bahandlishe lokho soke sekuphumile esandleni ngoba kungenzeka uthola ukuthi ayisenzeki ngalendlela le akade plane ngako ukuthi okay mangibuya mina ngiyapheka ngenzeni ngihambe ngiyojima and all those things. kuyenzeka into ukuthola ukuthi iyaphuma esandleni kodwa bona they are able ukuthi bayimanage leyo into leyo ukuthi okay njengamanje sengiphazamisekile, how do I get back to my patterns? So they are able to do that, yabo. So ke injalo ke indaba ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu bayezwa. Ngiphinde ngidlulele kwi-pattern kwilokhu nganelandelayo. Kwilokhu nganelandelayo ibizwa ngokuthi alpha. I-channel elandelayo ibizwa ukuthi i-channel of alpha. Isuka phi nansiya. Isuka phi kwi-G center iyaphi iya lapha ya 731 no 317 731 alpha alela bracket ilibheke phi libheke umathanda walo 731 i-alpha ke it's a leader ke. Siqale sibuke nje ukuthi u-gate 7 i-gate of it's a role of self, and gate 31 it's an influence, gate of influence. So lana sithola umuntu oyileader la. Sithola umuntu oyileader ozosebenzisa ilogic. Ozosebenzisa the logic, the rationality and reasoning to lead and look at the patterns and formulate the systems that are going to make a better future. They are following the logic to perfectize the system. Yabo? So those are the kind of leaders. Uthola ukuthi i-leader lena ekwazi ukuthi isebenzise i-logic ukuthi okay waphela vele njoba ene-alpha nje obona abo kukancane nje ngisho futhi kwancane, but it's not surprising ukuthola umuntu onale channel u731 leader noma ewu-principal noma eyi-councillor noma ungqongqoshe noma eyini noma ewu-president ngobani they are leaders nje. This channel is for channel of leadership because u31 is a gate of influence and ulapha kwi-throat, and the throat is a manifestation center. So find someone who is having an influential voice, yabo? Someone who is influential, someone who can make people to follow him or her, yabo? Usebenzisa futhi ne-logic khona lapho ngoba phela this is a logic circuit. Akathi mezo deal nezinto from the point of emotions. Uyabuka ukuthi okay, this is what's been happening, ne? Okay, how possible ukuthi this is caused by this? Oh, lo hleze fika late. Okay, yini emenza ukuthi afike late lo? Oh, lo yabo usebenzisa i-reasoning ne-logic lapho. Okay, maybe kanje. Okay, this is what I can do now to make the situation better, rather than ukuthi avela asebenzisa ama-emotions ukuthi how can I make this person ukuthi angafiki late? I can shout, I can do what? Asebenzisa ama-emotions. No, lo sebenzisa i-logic. Oh, okay, uhlala la. Okay, ukanje. Okay, ukanje. Unama-logical steps alandelekayo ukuze afinyelele kwisinqumo naye. So ke ulolo hlobo ke le-leader, it's all about leadership lapha ku-alpha. Cabanga ukuthi sesingadlulela ke kwenye channel of judgment. Hawu kwenzakaleni la? Oh, seyifikile lapha kwi-throat, ne? Angithi ngishilo ngathi vele isuke ifuna ukuzoyithola ikwi-throat. Oh, sho nje manje sesiqala phi ke manje? Siqala ngala. Ngithi yabona la ezansi nanku 5818, angithi ku-channel 5818, channel of judgment. Channel of judgment uyabona laphana ukuthi kuhlanganiswe ini u-gate 58 nokuhlangene u-gate 58 okuyi-root. I-root ke esinikeza ini the pressure to do something, the adrenaline to act, and then iya-low energy iya kwi-spleen. Spleen okuyi-center of what? Of intuition, survival instinct, ne? and awareness, survival awareness. And 58, it's gate of aliveness. Gate of aliveness in a sense that you feel alive if you are contributing to the collective. Uzizwa nawe une difference oyenzayo. That's what gate 58 is all about. It's for you to feel alive. Okuzwa nje mangabe ucontribute positively kwi-collective noma emphakathini noma kuphi. Uyezwa na ukuthi I'm making a difference. So that is about gate bani 58. Then low pressure leyo of feeling alive, that pressure to contribute in a very positive manner to the collective. Iyahamba ke lo energy leyo iyapi? Iyalapha ku spleen. Ngokubona nje. Ukuthi le yanto iphakela ispleen. Ngithi suka la iza la angithi. So iya gate 18. Gate 18 is the gate of it's a gate of judgment, ne? It's a gate of judgment if as far as I'm concerned. It's a gate of correction, I mean, not a gate of judgment. It's a gate of correction. So njoba sezakhi channel leza zinto, it means this channel is enabling umnikazi wayo ukuthi I feel the pressure to correct something. Khona those people who just feel pressure to correct something. Ukuthi no, I think now as ama-leaders ethu, we're not doing justice to us by doing 1, 2 and 3. I think now kumbule futhi njoba ku gate 18 laphana kwi awareness nje kwi spleen isine intuitions. So uzoba ne intuition nayo lo muntu lo ukuthi what is to be corrected. We are feeling njengamanje this has to be corrected because une intuition ukuthi what needs to be corrected, more especially kuma authorities labantu esithi basiphethe. So these people they don't have fear yoku correct ama authorities, abantu abadala, whether it's our parents, our whoever who is having authority, because ekugcineni phela izinto kumele zishintshe. Yabo, izinto kumele zishintshe. We cannot stay endaweni eyodwa. We always have to correct. I-universe ihlezi izama ukuzirebalance, chaos order. So these people, they are also bringing what? They are also fine-tuning, trying to perfectize the system. Angithi ithi system ihamba ngendlela ehamba ngayo right in the society. Bona bese bebona ukuthi no man, I think now we can make this system better. They are bringing chaos. Yabo? We can make the system better. Then they will bring the chaos. Yani njalo chaos. Eyokuthi kulunga izinto, because they are always trying to fine tune. Lento iyenza ukuthi lento ye channel of judgment, you always judge. You judge. Awuneliseki ukuthi ku right. You can unganeliseka for a time being and then ubone ukuthi I know man, still there's something that needs to be done again. Njengokuthi nje ungafika ulungise endlini, uqoqa ushintshe imibhede. Ujabule for a while ukuthi ya ngawushintsha umbhede wami kanje, amakhabethe ami kanje, yabo. Noma I mean lento amakhabethe engibeka kuwona ami kanje. Kodwa nje kudlule nje few weeks or few days, afile futhi sengazi ukuthi angathi lela lokhuyana kungama kanje. He is always wants to change things around, to perfectize things. So though leyo energy ke noma leyo channel leyo isinikeza leyo energy of always wanting to perfect things. Judgment, you always look at things from the point of judging them, with how can they be better. So it's not a bad thing. Phela ngabe asikho la sikhona, ngabe nje ayikho, abekho o iPhone 10, iPhone 14, iPhone 15, ngoba always kulokho kudinga ukuthi umuntu oyibukayo ahleze ebona ukuthi man incomplete, what can I change here? bese sithola into entsha. That's how we upgrade things, yabo. So that is why we need this channel ebantwini abanayo, because they always want to upgrade things, yabo. They always want to upgrade things, singahlali endaweni eyodwa. So they always want to be perfect. See, we can try to perfectize this thing. Thank you so much for the gift, Ndumi. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate that. Yeah. So ngicabanga ukuthi njoba ke impilo yethu ke bafethu injena, lento ingaziveza ngeindlela eziningi empilweni yakho. Ingayiveza ngeindlela eziningi empilweni yakho le channel le mawunayo ingaziveza ngeindlela eziningi. Ungathola ukuthi uhlezi judgmental, mhlawumbe umuntu uma egqokile ukuthi ubengagqoka kanjani kangcono, mhlawumbe ungahlezi judgmental ngokuthi izinto bezingenzeka kanjani kangcono. Yabo nje, we are always looking at things from the point of judging them, but ke not self ke phela ke ngaba khona ke lapho not self yalapho uyabo ukuthi mhlawumbe ube nefear yokuvoice out ukuthi izinto zingayenziwa kanjani ukuthi zibe ngcono, vele ube nefear, usabe ukuthi ayothi ngishiye kanjalo nami ngiyasaba, yabo. So then awusizi ke lapho. That is a very not self theme. And if you feel not self, obviously you are not going to fill up your purpose in this world. Esingadlulela ke kwi-channel elandelayo, nansi yavele siyifice ikhona, nansi ya lesuka la iza la, ne. Angithi njengoba kwi-awareness center le wonke lama gates ala anefear phakathi, anefear. So njengoba ku-gate 18 nje is the fear of authority. Usaba ama-authorities ukwatshela ukuthi yeni anilungiseni la, i-authority figure ayenzi kanje, anilungiseni la. So ungaba naleyo fear ke, we are operating from the not self. Then u4816 kuthiwa the wavelength, that is the channel of wavelength. Channel of wavelength or channel of mastery. Angithi i-pattern uma ngabe ulokhu uyibuka uyilungisa, uphinde uyibuke, uphinde futhi ubone ngathi idinga ukulungiswa, uphinde uyibuke, uphinde ubone ngathi udinga ukulungiswa, ugcina ufinyelela kusephi isigaba or mastery. Ugcina usufinyelela kuleso sigaba leso sokuthi usuyimasterishile i-pattern, usuyimasterishi, usumaster, uyayimasterisha into. Ake ngwenze lesibonelo nje. Even abanye ngicabanga abanye bathi this is a channel of what? A channel of talent. I think so. Uma ngabe umuntu efike ethi yeah ubhala ingoma, athi ayingeke ayicule le ngoma, athi ayi right, avuke ekseni athi ngeke lo line lo angathi ngawusho kanje, yes. Ngithi yambo manje uthi useya correct manje, aphinde futhi aphinde yazi ingoma zamanje zikanje. Angithi vele laba basebenzisa i-evidence ephambi kwabo ukufine tuna noma ukuperfectize into, basebenzisa i-physical evidence ephambi kwabo, abona ukuthi man ayi lama lyrics angithi always uyashintsha uzama ukuthi lento azafike azoyimasterisha, ngithi yabo. So kuphuma into enjani lapho, kuphuma into emasterishiwe into. So that is why kuthiwa it's a channel of mastery, because into ugcina usuyimasterishile uma ngabe ulokhu uyipractice, uyishintsha, uyipractice, uyishintsha, uyipractice, uyishintsha, yabo. So ke bawosolwazi ke labantu lapha, bawosolwazi ngoba ake sibuke nje ugate 48 lo la kwispleen no gate 16, sibuka amagama lawo magate. Ugate 48 is the well or the gate of depth, igate lokugcila entweni le, lokujula entweni. Year to gate 16 is the gate of enthusiasm or the gate of gate of enthusiasm. Abanye ngani bathi ubani sengikhohliwe ngithi phela khona lama terms lawa sifike siwathole kwi-Chinese I Ching siphinde siwathole kwi-human design. So it's a gate of enthusiasm, gate 16. Gate 48 is the gate of the well or depth. So into eyenzakalayo ngo-gate 48 umuntu uba ne-depth entweni, uyagxila yabo entweni. Megxile entweni, whether ukufunda, whether yi-research, whether iskill sebhola, whether iskill sokucula, whether iskill sokuthunga, whatever ayenzayo uyagxila kuyona, agxile to the extent ukuthi also futhi ugate 48 allow ukuthi abe ne-intuition ukuthi azi ukuthi yini ekumele ukuthi agxile kuyona yabo, ukuze akwazi ukuthi ayi-perfectize. Unalo intuition nje yokwazi ukuthi yini emele ukuthi agxile kuyona ukuze ayi-perfectize, asurvive better. Akahambe egxila kunoma yini, ugxila entweni emnikeza i-niche futhi ezomenza ukuthi asurvive better yabo. Uma ukuthi kumele afunde, ufunda iy'ncwadi une-intuition yowazi ukuthi iziphi iy'ncwadi emele ayifunde, une-intuition ukuthi yini emele agxile kuyona. So it's a gate of depth. And ugate 16 kuyi-gate of enthusiasm. Once esegxilile entweni uba enthusiastic-ke manje, uba naleya enthusiastic ukuthi ayi-manifest, ngoba ugate 16 ula kwi-throat center, kwi-center of manifestation. Umbona ngani ukuthi usene-enthusiasm manje? Ingoba uyazi ukuthi ugate 48 ugxilile entweni, wayifine tuna manje useyayi-manifesta. Uzwa ngisho indlela akhuluma ngayo uma ukuthi into ekhulunywayo, uzwa ngisho indlela akhuluma ngayo ukuthi hey, wazithemba nangumuntu, because vele gate 16 is manifested, is in the throat, is for communication. Uzwa ngisho indlela akhuluma ngayo athi no, you can't tell me anything. Enthusiastic, you can't tell me anything, I know what I'm talking about yabo. So check-a ukuthi lolo hlobo lomuntu akanayo yini mhlawumbe ugates, mhlawumbe u-channel of wavelength or channel of mastery, ngoba uyagxila entweni azayazi, kuyima eyi-manifesta, eyi-communicator. Akakhuluma into angayazi, ukhuluma into ayaziyo ngoba ugxilile kuyona. Unogate 48 futhi angithi umuzwa nje ukuthi ngisho ekhuluma ukuthi lo muntu lo enthusiastic. By the way, I do have this channel, channel of wavelength. So that is why if I talk nje mangikhuluma ngento ongiyaziyo, ungizwa ngisho ngikhuluma ukuthi I know what I'm talking about yabo. It's obvious ukuthi okay, this one knows very well ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. And ukuba khona ne-intuition-ke ekutshelayo ukuthi yabo manje lento usuyayazi yabo, ngoba phela ugate 48 unama-intuitions futhi angithi ukwi-spleen kunane-intuition lapha, iyakutshela-ke into ukuthi yabo lento le usuyayazi, usumaster wayo yabo. No whatever, ngabe ithalente lebhola, ngabe ithalente whatever the thing is, izokutshela i-intuition yakho ukuthi now umaster. Kuzobonakala ngisho indlela owenza ngayo, indlela owenza ngayo ukuthi okay, lo uyayazi lento, ugxilile kulento, wena ngabe kuthiwa kuyafunda. So le channel izozimanifesta ngendlela ezihlukene-ke, njengoba ngisho empilweni yomuntu. Omunye njengami nje, mina ngiyakuthanda ukufunda mina yabo. So ngiyazi ukuthi I know ukuthi what should I read yabo, and ngiyagxila mina i-depth into yami yabo, i-depth into yami, ngiyagxila entweni mina. Angifuni ukuba shallow yabo, bese ngiyayi-communicator into. No, I don't feel myself. Uthola ukuthi into angiyazi kahle, I don't feel myself lapho. Ngifuna ukugxila. Khona abanye abantu uthola ukuthi abayidingi yonke lento, bafuna nje one or two things. Mina I'm not that kind of a person ke. I'm that kind of a person othi uma uzumtshela into uma interested akafuni ukwazi the surface level thing, ufuna ukuthi go deeper to the extent mhlawumbe ukuthi lento ayazi ukuthi iqale phi njengoba isila futhi njengoba ila iyaphi, yabo. That's the kind of a person I am ngenxa yani yaleya channel leya, yabo. Nje wawungeke mina ungitshele human design, ungitshele izinto ezamagabantshintshi nje uzikhe phezulu bese nganeliswa yilokho ngithi ngizobamba lokho. No, angisiphela futhi no gate 48 enye into i-not self yakhona ke. I-not self, mangikhuluma not self, i-shadow part, negative expression. Uba ne-fear of inadequacy, uba ne-fear ukuthi angazi enough. Ngisho suwazi-ke manje wena you go deep not for the sake of exploring, you go deep from the sense of fear yokuthi hey, I think I do not know enough. Uba nalento futhi yokuba ufuna uba yi-perfectionist, ungamukeli ukuthi no, I already know enough about this, I already know enough, but unalento ethi angathi angazi, because the more you go deeper entweni, the more you realize ukuthi you don't know, yabo. So that by the time you are because you cannot know it all, by the time you want to know it all, you uncover new things, and that's what makes you even lacking the trust even more to yourself. So njengoba ngazi izinto ezingaka nje, ngiyazazi izinto kodwa futhi kunezinto ezingaka futhi engingazazi, yabo. So lokho kumele ukuthi umuntu onaleya channel akwamukele nje ukuthi into ekuthiwa i-perfection, ukuthi usuwazi yonke into, asikho leso state sokuthi usuwazi yonke into, usune-knowledge yayo yonke into, usolwazi nje wena, wazi enough kwi-level yakho, wazi enough kwi-level yakho. And futhi mase usuyi-communicate into, i-self-confidence phela ibalulekile ngoba phela unokulokhu ngani, une-channel, une-gate 16 okuyi-gate of what? Enthusiasm. Yeah, cabanga ukuthi I've said mouthful ngale yalokhu ngani. So mase manifesta ku-channel 16 kusese kumanifesta into e-perfected, angithi yabona ukuthi lento isukephi, isuke la pressure to correct, or from the point of judgment. You look at things from the point of judgment, angithi you try to correct them, you go deeper into them, and then you manifest them as something that is perfected, yabo. It will go again. That's how we evolve. Mangiyibuka nje le njengomuntu mhlawumbe umuntu wa designer i-VW i-Paul ayibuka athi ngicabanga ukuthi singafaka ama-fog light la, uzophinda futhi ethi cabanga ukuthi manje kumele iphume nespoiler, aphinde futhi cabanga ukuthi ifender yakhona kumele ime kanje. Every time angithi yabona ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho. By that time things are getting better and better and better and better and better. I-universe injalo nje, siya phambili, siya evolve, so we need people to evolve, so we're going to do those things ngokwe-energetic configuration yabo. In absence of equation ke ngihlabela mgama ngiqhubekela phambili. Mangiqhubekela phambili ngizobuka what is it? Oh, okay, I have to 63.4. Yabona siqhamuka phezulu ke manje, siqhamuka phezulu. Nangiyana Mission Possible. Thank you so much, Mission Possible, for sending me a gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm your teacher, ne? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So laphana ke sihlabela mgama usibuka i-channel eqhamuka phezulu. Nansi ya 63.4. 63.4 nangu yaphezulu. Now, yambona? Usuka kwi-head center uza kwi-ajna. Head center ke is a center that is coming with a pressure to know, questioning. So this is the head center that allows you to communicate with the universe, to receive the inspirations from the universe from above. They come through a head center. Then if they come from head center through head center, then uzowa conceptualize through mind achna. So izinto ziqhamuka la from the universe. You download them. This is your aerial. This is the center that makes you communicate with the universe. Ngoba kukhona 64 nje, gate of confusion, 61 the gate of inner truth or mystery, bese kuba gate 63 the gate of doubt. Njengoba ubona ke confusion, obviously confusion, you want to make sense. If you are confused, you want to make sense. You want to make sense, and to make sense, obviously kuzomela ukuthi uyiprocess lonto le ngqondweni yakho. Konto ozofika nayo ukuthi oh, what did this thing mean? Kwakusho ukuthini le nto? I'm confused. So confusion uzozama ngayo yonke indlela ukuyiclearisha. So by the time we clearisha, you will get the meaning. That meaning you are going to share with the collective. Hey, mina ngake ngwenze ukuthi, and you will understand ukuthi story sakho sizoba sizapha abanye abantu, because collective is all about sharing. So u63 ke, u61 ke, I mean, is for inner truth ne, or mystery. So la sikhuluma ngani ngokuthi nje uzovele wazi into nje, uzovele wazi nje ukuthi oh okay, into ewukuthi iwukuthi, not ngendlela abantu abaningi abayazi ngayo, ngendlela uthola ukuthi njengoba uvela ucabanga oh leli verse eliseBhayibhelini alisho lento le, lisho le, so you will just know, you don't know how, so that the universe will communicate with you that way. Also gate 63 njengoba ku doubt nje, doubt obviously after something has been accomplished, we are doubt ukuthi okay, is it, I'm doubting. So once you doubt, obviously uzozama ukwenza ama preparation, ngoba once wa doubt, then usuzofuna ukwenza preparation ukuthi because I'm doubting, ukuze ngibe ne sure, this is what I have to do. If I doubt ukuthi ngiyadoubt ngefuture ukuthi ngeke, I doubt ukuthi ngophila kahle mina indlela engenza ngayo njengamanje in terms of money, that is a doubt. Ukuthi I doubt ukuthi ipension iyona into engangenza ngiphile kahle. I doubt ukuthi you come from a point let doubt, the universe that makes you doubt. By you doubting ngeke uhlale nje ne doubt, into ozoyenza uzofuna indlela zokuba uzoclearisha le doubt. Uzoyenza njani ke manje? Uzozama izinto ezilogical ezokwenza ukuthi ube ne sure manje, ngoba ufuna i sure. I doubt nje is leading to i-sure ukuthi okay, ukuze ube sure futhi kunezinto kumele ukuthi udlule kuzona, uzidadishe, uzibuke, bese uba ne-sure ukuthi okay, now I'm sure now. So ukuze ukwenze lokho kumele uqale ube ne-doubt. So i-doubt you get it from the universe. Ngiyabona la from South so Luna Sunflower, glad to see someone else speaking on human design. Thank you so much Luna's Sunflower. Nami ngiyajabula nje ukubona ukuthi there is someone also knowing about a human design, nami kuyangijabulisa lokho. Kuyangijabulisa kakhulu lokho, because it's kuvele kuba ngazuthi mina mhlambe ngikhuluma nje into engaziyo ukuthi iqhamukapi, ikanjani, yini yona lento engiyishoyo. Kanti cha, bakhona nje abanye futhi abayaziyo futhi abayi-understandayo nje ukuthi yani isebenza kanjani, and ke kuyongisiza kakhulu mina ukuthi ngibone abantu abaningi, ngibe nabantu abaningi surrounded by many people abaziyo nge-human design, abayi-understandayo futhi to the deepest level noma ngokwe-level yabo. Kodwa lokho kokwenza ukuthi nami phela nami ngike ngilalela abanye abantu in like ku-immediate environment, nje kuyajabulisa uma kukhona omunye umuntu nami ngempela ongimbonayo ukuthi human design naye uyazi context human design yabo. Lona from South where? South Arab or South Africa, you mean South Africa. Super G Mzobe. Hayi kusho ukuthi-ke usuyoyibamba ku-YouTube, Changes Akasha. Good people on YouTube, I am Changes Akasha. Labo live ngiyaba-uploada khona. So lona nje uzowuthola nawo mase ngiqedile. Uzobe ubhala ukuthi-ke uzobe kwi-list, playlist ethini Introduction to Human Design. Ngiyabonga kakhulu weluna. Introduction to Human Design on YouTube. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Cela usubscribe. Usubscribe elani? Khona phela ngizokureacha le threshold kabani? Ka 3000 bani subscribers first. Khona uYouTube uzokwazi ukuthi unginike okuncane ngesinye isikhathi nami. Hayi nje uzobe kuthathwa kuwe, yabo. So kungisiza lapho ukusubscribe. Okunye futhi engizokusho before ngiqhubele phambili. Ngabe vele ngisalela ama channels awu2. Ilokhu ukuthi i-human design chart reading sisayenza ku 0798453962. Sisayenza i-human design kule number le. Angithi so wonke lama channels engikhuluma ngawo la kusuke awuzaza ngithi wena ukuthi unayiphi mhlambe i-chart ungalipopulate la ungalipopulate khona mhlambe inkinga kodwa manje ukulichaza ukuthi lisho ukuthini kuwena mhlambe kuzoba inkinga. So that is why ke i-human design uyenza ngoba suke sizokukhulumela nge-strategy, authority, incarnation cross, uzonzani, profile line, yipi personality onayo. Sokhuluma ngento eziningi si-engage nje ngempilo yakho. So that is why ke wenza any booking sibuke i-chart lakho, yabo. Mina lokho kuyangifascinate kakhulu. That is why futhi ku-cheap kangaka ukuyenza i-human design kumina ngoba ngisayiqala kanti futhi into engiyithandayo futhi ukuyenza, yabo. It doesn't feel like a burden kumina ukuyenza. So that is why i-cheap kangaka, yabo. So WhatsApp le number la uyifonele number ya WhatsApp bese uyabooka ke, yabo, ngikunikeza iform. Sicelo kuhle uthi are these things connected to Bible? Hayi, this is not connected to Bible. This is not connected to Bible. Lento i-connected with i-astrology, connected with Kabbalah, connected with a Hindu chakra system, connected with quantum physics, biogenetics, nani konjeni, nani Chinese I Ching, the oldest book, the Book of Change of China, that is more than 5,000 years, abo, the sacred book. So into nje lena involve izinto eziningi, ama systems amaningi within ukuze iphumele nento ephathekayo. Hayi angishabele phambili ke ngichaze ngalama channels lawa u2wasel. So ke le channel le linambe ngibhalile umuntu ongenayo kumele akubone ukuthi eyebooking, eyebooking le number. Njengoba ubona nje kukhona u634 u634. Oh, sengihambe ngaze ngafika lapho. 634 kuthiwa it's a channel of logic. Yini i-logic? Nawe yazi ukuthi i-logic yini? I-logic sisuke sikhuluma ngento e-practical, e-evidence based, ngithi, yabo. So uma ngabe ukuthi unale channel, obvious usebenzisa i-logic lapho. You doubt, and then ngoba u63 is a gate of doubt. Then njengoba ubona leyana, angithi uyabona khona into uyiqaphele la. Uyabona ukuthi mawukuthi uyaqaphela ngempela njengoba ngikhulumile ngathi mina u-left brain lo. Uyabona ukuthi lento ihamba kanjani? Ihamba kanje. La phezulu la ngikhona manje ku 634 uyabona ukuthi lento inga-left lento le inga-left le, yabo, kwi-brain ika-left lento. Umini hayi umuzoma ulibuke leli chance like nje ulifacile nje kanje ubhekene nalo, cha, bheka la libheke khona nawe uzobona ukuthi lento ika-left, yabo. So nala futhi kuyahambisana-ke nala i-pressure le into efanayo. So that is why ngithi u-left brain lo kahle hle osebenza ngani nge-logic kanjalo. Alright, so u-63 ke i-channel of ini i-doubt, bese kuthi u-4 it's a channel of formulation. Yeah, it's a channel of formulation, or it's a channel of kahle hle ukuthi yini ke i-formulation. Yeah, i-formulation angithi ke i-formulation is based kwi-understanding. I-formulation is based kwi-understanding ukuthi okay njengoba udoubt nje kumele uformulate ke i-formula. Uyazi into ekuthiwa i-formula. I-formula yazi ukuthi yini, kune-formula ka-maths angithi ukuthi izinto kumele zihambe ngale ndlela le. I-formula inama steps, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3 is leading to step 4, step 5 is leading to step 6. Logical steps, into logically ke leyo. Then kusho wena from i-doubt onayo uformulator ube sewubuka ukuthi okay, because now I'm doubting. Mangibuka izinto njengamanje I doubt ngoba vele egcineni kusuke kwenzela ukuthi kube khona izinto eziformulatayo ozishintshayo ukuze kube khona i-better future. That is what this channel is all about, to formulate and to fine tune things. Ngizabo from the level of doubt. Ukhumbule ukuthi uzodoubt i-doubt you are getting it out of nowhere, yabo, out of nowhere, then you are doubting. Ukudoubt futhi into isuke isiqediwe, into iqediwe mawudoubt bese wena uyadoubt wena, I really doubt, yabo. Angazi ukuthi siphi isibonelo engiqhamuka ngaso where you are even doubting. Athi sibone nje, ake ngithi mhlambe umuntu wakhona ufuna ukuthi ifone, mhlambe uyadoubt ukuthi ifoni ingawenza umsebenzi othile, ifoni ingalivula igate, ifoni ingayidumisa imoto. Uyadoubt nje ukuthi ifoni ingayenza lonto, yabo. Into ekhona nje leyo, mhlambe vele kwi-vicinity yama cellphone uyayidoubt leyo nto. Njobe idoubt leyo nto kuzomela ukuthi akucheck ukuthi yindaba engeke iziyenzeke, yabo, noma abuka ukuthi ingenzeka kanjani. That is where ingena khona ilogic ukuthi because you are doubting, now check ukuthi from what you are given, from what you are doubting, landela kama steps ukuthi yindaba yini ekwenza ukuthi yini ezoclearisha le doubt yakho. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi uqale u-understand i-pattern ekhona manje, qale u-understand lento ekhona manje, bese uzama-ke wena ukwenza njani, uku-add-a lokho ofuna uku-add-a noma ukhiphe lokho ofuna ukukhipha. But ukhiye la ukuthini, qale u-understand lento ekhona njengamanje, yabo. So that is what i-doubt for, ukuthi njoba uyadoubt qhamuka-ke nezinto, understand lento bese uqhamuka nezinto ezizokwenza ukuthi ungadoubt. Wena ngoba uyadoubt ukuthi uyoke ube yimillionaire, ngithi you doubt, angithi yini ekwenza ukuthi udoubt, angithi usuzobuka-ke yini ekwenza ukuthi udoubt ukuthi wena uyoke ube yimillionaire one day. Obvious, if you are doubting that, ngeke uzudoubt bese ushiya kanjalo. Uzodoubt bese uyabuka ukuthi imali ngiyisebenzisa kanjani? Umuntu oyimillionaire wenza njani? Imali, umthetho wemali uthini? Yabo? Bese ubuka ama-practical steps ukuthi umuntu oyimillionaire uhamba kanje, 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 kanje. Yabo? Nazi indlela eyihanjwa umuntu ozoba imillionaire kusasa. Bese uyabuya kuza kuwena ukuthi mina-ke ngenza njani-ke mina. Yabo? Bese uyashintsha. Eyalokho nje leyo nto. Bese uyashintsha. Bese uyashintsha indlela owenza ngayo. Ulandele ama-steps okumele ukuthi uwalandele to be a millionaire. That is just one example. You can come up with your own example where there's a doubt. First, there's supposed to be a doubt. Ungayibona lento to even to ingane yakho. I doubt le ngane ukuthi le iyoke iphase le ngane le. I doubt. Yazi I doubt. Kube khona nje lo doubt ukuthi ngiyayidoubt nje le ngane ukuthi iyophasa umatric noma izoyiphasa le grade ekuyona. From that point nje yini ekwenza ukuthi wa doubt? You just downloaded the doubt nje wena, yabo? Mhlambe kwenza ukuthi uvele udoubt nje out of the blue. Bese uyaqala le ngane njoba ngidoubt nje. Bese uyaqala ke manje ukuthi oza la. Angithi uyazi ukuthi umuntu ozophasa wenza njani. Oza la. Oze ngibuka incwadi zakho. Yabo? Uswenzani manje? Ulandela i-formulation ke manje. Uthi ngibuka incwadi zakho. Uyabuka. Oh. Mele ngiye esikoleni. Usuya manje uyolandela i-behavior ke manje. Usubona ithi encwadini kunje, alright. Usulandela manje i-behavior ke manje. Ngifuna ukuyozwa ke esikoleni ukuthi uyiphethe kanjani, yabo? So bese uyathola ukuthi kukanje. Then that is when we are going to find out ukuthi how can I, mhlawumbe usuyafika esikoleni uyathola ukuthi le ngane le ihlala eminyango. Thola ukuthi lento le ibhala nje uma-exercise ngoba isuke ikopelile nje vele. So uyathola le ngane ihlala eminyango. Into esizowenza usuzolokhu nje-ke manje, usuzo-formulate izinto ozoyilandela ukuthi le ngane ukuthi iphase. Ozozilandela ukuthi le ngane ukuthi iphase. Ezoclearisha i-doubt yakho. Yabo? So it's all about that. Doubt, come up with something. Whatever you're going to come up with, it is going to make a better future. Yabo? Doubting. I think I've said mouthful about this. Njengoba ubona ke la this is the mind. Ingqondo kuyona le kwenza ukuthi njengoba ubona usuka ku-63 yaku4, ingqondo iyona le kwenza ukuthi uformulize izinto ukuthi this is what should be followed. Ingqondo is for understanding, reasoning, logical processes and all those things. Ingqondo yalokho nje. Ingqondo akuyona yokuthatha ama-decisions. Ingqondo yi-understanding, reasoning, making sense. Yabo? Eyalokho. Conceptualization. Ingqondo nje yalokho bakwethu. Akuyona eyokuthatha i-decision ingqondo. That is why human design ikhona. Because kuyazi ukuthi they are decision making mechanism kuwena, hayi engqondweni. Okay, before ngiqhubeke no-Gates ne-channel elandelayo, let me first look here. Uyabonga lapho usicelo kuhle, alright. Kade ngibuza ukuthi ayihlabene neBhayibheli hayi lutho. Sizila the last channel now. This is the channel of acceptance. Nansi leya channel. Konje ngifuna phela ukuyilona. Nansi ya. Ngiyabona from the arch, the mind, ear to the throat for manifestation. 1762, yabo, kuthiwa i-channel of what? Acceptance. Ku-acceptwa ini la? Asibukeni ukuthi u-gate 17 lo kwi-mind, it is the gate of opinions. Bese kuthi u-gate 62, it is the gate of details, gate of details. So makuhlangene u-opinion no-details bakwi-channel of acceptance. Obviously, these are the opinions from gate 17, and then those opinions are manifested by looking at the details. Yabo? So acceptance, in a sense, that abantu abanale gate kumele be understand ukuthi just because they are looking at things in details, then they are having an opinion. Akusho ukuthi opinion yabo ilona qiniso lelo. It's just an opinion. They need to accept other possibilities. It's not that your opinion is the one that matters, because when you have looked at something in detail, so your opinion matters the most, because when you know you've been studying it, you wayibuka into in detail, then you are usunama opinion. Your opinion is an opinion, yabo, is not a fact, is an opinion. So you need to accept that. There are people abacabanga ukuthi i-opinion yabo abonje abanale channel, they banenkane sometimes, possibility yokuba nenkane yokuthi nje I know, but in fact not ukuthi I know, they say I think, yabo, I think, and I think kwakhona omunye uzocabanga ukuthi le opinion ayicabangayo iyona fact, yabo, abone ukuthi mina ngibona ukuthi lo ubenza lento nje ngenxa yokuthi nokuthi ngoba ngiyamazi vele ukuthi ngiye ngimbone ukuthi, and that is an opinion. Don't expect that ukuthi kuyi-fact. And because they are having a defined ajna, for that matter, they are having a defined ajna, kunzima ngabe ukuconvince umuntu onale channel, kunzima ngabe ukuthi asuke embonweni wakhe, kunzima ngabe. Ukunalokho yena ufuna wena uthatha umbono wakhe, more especially wena mangabe une undefined ajna, ufuna uthatha umbono wakhe. Yabazi labo bantu labo abathi ngiyakutshela ngiyazi, izwa ngami, yes, kodwa it's an opinion. Hey, kaze unayo lo channel, athi ngizwa ngami, lento engikhulumayo ngiyayazi, ngiyibonile mina ngiyazi, mina wazi kanjani? Hey, izwa ngami, yabo. Why? It's because unale nto ka details ukuthi mina nginama details, because I look at things in details. So njoba ngibuka izinto in details nje, and ngoba ibuka in details uyayiname, is naming things ukuthi lokhu kusho ukuthi, yabona, angabona into umuntu onale channel le, angabona into bese ethi ngibonile wena ukuthi ubulinde loya, kanti cha, is just naming things. Akazi nanokuthi lo ubelinde loyana ngampela, uzakhela ezakhe izinto nje, yabo, aze benombono based on into athi yena, angithi by the time ebuka wakha ama meanings akhe, yena wakha ama meanings akhe ukuthi lo ulinde lo, and lo sengibonile uthandana nalo, lo, yabo, is naming things. By that time is naming things, is not a fact, is not a fact. Fana nokuthi athi nginibonile ningenela nobabili, nahlala isikhathi esithi naphuma, yabo. So bese ya assume ukuthi lonto isho ukuthini, bese lo mbono wakhe acabanga ukuthi iyona fact. So there are people who are like that, kwazi lokho, and you cannot convince them. they bazi ukuthi nje not unless when you are going to provide a tangible evidence ukuthi ayikho lento ayicabangayo yabo, but otherwise nje they are convinced, and iyona fact leyo, iyona into azoyitshela abantu leyo. Ayike cabanga ukuthi hayi le ngene ngephutha ke channel strike la ayibhilongi la. Hawu, lokhu bekumele ngikususa kubhilongi la. Lokho okubonayo nje okwa last week, ngoba ngenze from into ya last week, ngoba ngenze from into ya last week, ya injalo nje injalo indaba. Khona yini konje okunye bengikade ngifuna ukukulona ukuchaza? Akukho okunye kade ngifuna ukuchaza phela nje. Hawu, yini bantu, awume, hawu, yini kaweni phela mina angithi ngibuye ngilone la, ngiyalona mina, ngiyalona, and mase ngilona futhi angiloneki. Ngithatha ama-screenshots, ya iphelile-ke i-lesson, angazi noma izokwazi ukungicapturisha ilokhungana yami la, i-audio yami la izokwazi ukungicapturisha. Last Friday night, source from the mic, ngibona yonke into njengoba injalo la, we are perusing my cell phone. How? Ngazi noma i-audio yami izovuma yini noma. Ya, ilesini-ke seyiphelile-ke, seyiphelile, isikole isiphumile manje. School out ne? School out. Sesohlangana-ke mina nawe, sesihlangana nje, mhlampe singenzeka sihlangane during the week, mhlampe kungenzeka sihlangane nge-weekend ezayo, I do not know, but nje esikwaziyo ukuthi mina nawe sisazobonana ubusuku obuhle-ke. Lo live-ke ngizo-uploada nje in no time laphayana kubani, ku-Changes Akasha on YouTube. On Facebook I am Changes Akasha Rebirth. Ya busuku benzo lo-ke ngani zakwethu. I'm signing out right now. The guy is signing out, but the guy, it seems like he is unable to sign out.